welcome to my YouTube channel. This is a platform where I can share my knowledge on D365. So today I just want to discuss about fixed assets and fixed asset module. Under fixed assets, we had tagged our depreciation profile to the books, and then we are going to create a fixed asset groups. So let's go to the fixed asset group. Fixed asset group is according to the behavior of an asset we are going to be grouped together. Let's go land and buildings and plant and machineries or furnitures, vehicles, electronics. So let's go and create some asset groups. So again, it's a fixed assets module. Under setup, fixed asset groups. Here we can able to see this kind of groups we are having, but I just want to create new books that is for electronic items. Electronics, that is electronics. Okay, then coming to the general tab, there's this we can able to see. We are going to be selected tangible. Major type, no. Automatic fixed asset number, yes, are required for a number sequence for my asset. And then number sequence code I am going to be select here. Okay. I'll select this cost_1. Automatic, no, I just don't want it. So barcode, license, number sequences and all not required. Location we can mention where this asset group have been working. Like this, we can able to select and we can able to proceed it. Then replacement cost factor, these and all I'm not going to be select. Then save. We have given the group name as electronics and tangible assets and number sequence we have given it. And if you want to tag books at this stage, if you want to tag books for a particular group of assets, here we can able to tag books. Books we can able to tag what book you want to have. I just want to tag my current test. Yes, add depreciation periods. Like I'm tagging this here, but again these books will be represent for each and individual asset, so that I don't want to give a service life. According to the service life, depreciation periods will be calculated. So I don't want to be select here anything. See here we have selected, we have discussed now, that is the extraordinary depreciation profile. If anything we can able to tag here, but I don't want to be tag it. Then I want to save it. Okay, it's asking life service life must be greater than 0. So I will select 5 years. So the depreciation periods have been created by the system, that is a 60 period. So that I am going to be save it. Save. So new. I have created 3 books. No, we are created 3 books, and I am going to be tag 3 books to stay tag books. Yes. Again I am going to give 5 years. Save. New. Central. Yes, 5. Save. For the current month I am going to be give it is as a full month. Then save, go back, and then see we have created fixed assets groups, and we have tagged the books. We have tagged books to at fixed asset groups. Then coming to be next step, we need to be create a fixed asset. To create a fixed assets, we need to be come under fixed asset module. Again fixed asset tab. Under fixed asset tab, we can able to see here it says a fixed asset. So click on it. We are creating name of an fixed asset. So yes, new. I am going to be select this group. Here we under general tab we can able to see electronic group. Under this group I'm giving my asset name is a Dell 101. Intangible measure type, no, not. And the fixed asset priority is property type fixed asset quantity 1 is unit of measure each. Yes, each. And under technical tab we can able to mention who's the maker and model year and serial number, and if any guarantee for the particular item we can able to give a guarantee date and technical information if any having, and last maintenance date and coming maintenance date. Here and all we can able to give and asset condition, whether it's what is the asset condition, it's a good or poor or fair, okay to go or excellent, we can able to tag here. And the insurance, if we have any like insurance details for a particular asset, here we can able to give. Under this we can able to select the insurance vendor and agent number, policy number, and expiry date of a particular asset, and location where it have been located. It means where the asset have been using. These and all we can able to tag here, and room number, particular room number or department, and responsible person, missing asset or something else. If you want to mention, you can mention here any like a particular person is responsible. Here we can able to give a contact details of it. So then coming to be lease information, lease details, and we can able to give here, and report sorting, these and all we can able to give here, and image, if you want to add the image of a particular asset, here we can able to give, but I don't want to give anything. So I have created so we have created a new asset. Yes, I have created new asset, and then we have created fixed asset, but we have not attached fixed asset books to a particular asset. We have not tagged books to particular asset. So we are going to be check how it works, because we already tagged at group level. So let us check. Dell 101, the product name is. Sorry, contains this we can able to see here. Click on it. What are the books have been tagged? No. What are the books have been tagged? We can able to see here. See, we can able to see that central tax book have been updated and state bank current books have been updated as state tax book have been updated here. So again, if we want to edit a particular, coming to be next, we can able to see what are the books have been tagged to particular asset. Under this we can able to check if you want to update for a particular asset, like I just want to give a 6 years service life, so it that way automatically change at the fixed asset level. Even we have tagged for a group, we can able to change here according to the asset. So yes, I am going to be save because I have given a 6 years life cycle for this. Okay, then save. Yes, save.